Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a donation platform with GoFundMe, detailed guide step by step clearly. To build a donation platform with GoFundMe, begin by visiting the GoFundMe website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Enter your email address, create a password, and fill in your name. Verify your email by following the link sent to your inbox. Once your account is activated, log into the GoFundMe platform. Click on the Start a GoFundMe button to begin your campaign. Choose a compelling title for your fundraiser that clearly indicates its purpose. Write a detailed description explaining why you are raising funds. Be genuine and share your story to resonate with potential donors. Set a fundraising goal that reflects the amount you need to raise. Select a category that best fits your fundraiser, such as medical, education, or community. Upload a high-quality image or video to draw attention to your campaign. This visual element can significantly impact donation rates. Review your fundraiser details to ensure everything is accurate. You can edit and adjust any information as needed before going live. Select a custom URL for your campaign to make it easy to share. Once you're satisfied, click the Publish button to make your fundraiser public. Share your campaign across social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Encourage friends and family to share the link as well. Engage with donors by providing updates on your campaign progress. Respond to comments and messages to create a community around your cause. Monitor donations regularly to stay aware of your campaign's performance. Consider sending personalized thank you messages to donors. Use the funds responsibly once you reach your goal to maintain trust with supporters. Evaluate the campaign's success and gather feedback for future fundraisers. Celebrate milestones and keep your community informed about the impact of their contributions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.